Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ooki. As in my previous videos of Ooki, I have been showing you that it has formed a very big falling wedge pattern, and I was telling you that after the breakout we can expect a very massive pump, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout we had a nice pump. By the way, after the breakout from this low to here, it was almost 240%. And from this low, when it was testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, that was almost 271% pump, but the price then could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.006 that was previously working as a resistance here, and again worked as a resistance, and now recently it has formed this falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, here we have a very long-term support and resistance on as well that starts from $0.0035 and goes to $0.0028. That had been previously working as a very strong support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone. Here it worked as a resistance for several months. It had been working as a resistance, and here for a while we broke it out, but after the rejection by this long-term resistance of $0.006 and by this downtrend and resistance of another falling wedge pattern, the price line has again broken it down, and now it is recently bounced very well from the support of the falling wedge pattern. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently the price line was dropped down again at the support, and after getting bounced from the support here and here, it is reached the resistance of this wedge once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Ooki that I shared, by the way, in the month of October 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Ooki formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart, and this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very powerful reversal. First it dropped again down inside this buying zone here, then we had a nice reversal and beat the sell target zone here, then we had a bigger pump, and this was almost 64% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Ooki, and here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that recently it has formed another falling wedge pattern, and now the price line is once again read the resistance of this wedge. By the way, we also have a very long-term resistance zone above the resistance of the wedge. Therefore, even after breaking out this wedge, we will still need to break out this resistance zone in order to continue the rally to the upside. And right now, you can see that it is trying to break it out. In case of a price rejection, it can again drop down and test the support of the wedge somewhere here, approximately at $0.0015. And over there, we have a very long-term support as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $0.0015 has been working as a support here, and again it can work as a strong support. And in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $0.006. By the way, this level had been previously working as a resistance here, and for a few weeks it had been working as a resistance here as well. Now if we take a look at the technical target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, by the way, for this move, first we will need to break out this wedge, and we will need to break out this resistance zone as well, and then we can expect that sooner or later the pricing can hit that target, and that target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be between 2.6 cents to 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.